Umphathi wempahla yesikole utholwe enecala lokusebenzisa ulwimi oluhlambalazayo kubasebenzi. Umyeni kaThishanhloko yena watholwa enecala lokusebenzisa imoto yesikole ngokungemthetho.
Indeed, the estate manager used abusive language towards employees. The spouse of the principal was allowed to manage, be involved in the employment of gardeners, and to drive the school vehicle.
i-Mdladlamba attorneys iphakamise ukuthi kufanele uThishanhloko kanye nalaba asolwa nabo babekwe amacala okungaziphathi kahle.
It is recommended that the following staff members be charged with misconduct: the principal, the deputy principal responsible for discipline, 2 educators for classroom-related incidents, the estate manager, the HR manager, and the acting principal.
Isigungu esilawula isikole naso sithole uswazi oluncane.
The SGB chairperson and some SGB members attempted to interfere with the decision taken by the principal to provisionally suspend and charge the 12 learners.
Yize kunjalo Umphathiswa wezemfundo uMatome Chiloane uthi uThishanhloko wesikole usebuyiselwe emsebenzini.
The school principal was brought back to the school. We've reinstated her. So we're not longer at loggerheads. There are no at loggerheads with the school. As you can see, this is a very good school.
Chiloane uthi umnyango wezemfundo awunankinga ngokumangalelwa kumnyango wakhe yilabo abathintekayo kulolu daba, kodwa ufuna ukuthi izikole zilawulwe ngendlela efanele.